Hello students, practice with me the HOTS questions. So let us see the first question here. First question is that a certain amount is equally distributed among certain number of students. Each would get rupees 2 less if 10 students were more, and each would get rupees 6 more if 15 students were less. Find the number of students and the amount distributed. Here student, this is the hot question and coming from Chapter 1, linear equation in two variables. Very easy question, but the students would like, and it is very hard. Okay, so here we have to solve it very easily by easy method we apply here. So here students, we have to calculate, we have to find out the number of students and the amount distributed. So let us, we have to consider that the number of students and the amount distributed as any variable students. Okay, then we here first write down students. First here we write down, let X be the number of students. X be the number of students. First, I students check out whether it is audible or not. Okay. Yes, students, wait for while. Yes, students, wait for while. Hello, hello. Yes. So now here students, that let X be the number of students here, and then students I consider that, and Y be the amount distributed. Y be the amount distributed. Okay. So now here students, here as per given condition, I try to get, or I try to generate the equation. So here first condition here, students, that before that first condition, I write down that total amount total amount is equal to. So here number of students are x and the amount distribution is the y. So the total amount becomes xy students. Every time the total amount come xy students. So that's why then I try to find out the equation as per the given condition. So as per first condition, as per first condition, I get that each would get rupees 2 less. Rupees 2 less, that means here students y minus 2. If 10 students were more, 10 students were more. So here x plus 10 students, which is equal to always come xy, always come xy students here. So now here first I simplify it and then call it as the first equation as per the first condition students. So the I solve it y multiply x plus 10 minus 2 multiply x plus 10 is equal to xy. Then here students xy plus 10y minus 2x minus 20 is equal to xy. Xy on both the sides, so they get cancelled. So remaining part, that is 10y minus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. So I further simplified it that minus 2x plus 10y is equal to 20, and then I call it as the first equation. Okay students, I call it as the first equation. So now here before that, here students see we can further simplify it by dividing both the sides by 2 here students. So here I get minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. So now we can call it as the first equation. Now here students, the second condition, as per the second condition. So I write here as per second condition. So what is the second condition here students? That each would get rupees 6 more. Rupees 6 more. That means y plus 6 here students. Y plus 6. And if 15 students were less, 15 students were less, that means x minus 15. X minus 15, and always that equal to the total amount, and that total amount is students, that is the xy. Okay, so now further we solve it, that y multiply x minus 15 plus 6 multiply x minus 15, which is equal to xy. Then here students xy minus 15y plus 6x minus 90 is equal to xy. Now both the sides having the xy, so they get cancelled out. So here minus 15x, sorry, minus 15y plus 6y minus 90 is equal to 0, which are the remaining term. Then here student, further we simplify 6x minus 15y is equal to 90. Now here students, we can further simplify by dividing both the sides by 3. So here 3 2s are 6 minus 3 5s are 15, and here 3 3s are 9 and 0. Okay student, so this is in the simplest form. This is in the simplest form student. So here students, here see the first condition, check out the first condition as the second condition, the are true or not, or right or not. Okay, so first we check out that here, see here students, minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. I think it is right. Okay, So now here this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and here see positive 5y, here negative 5y. So here we adding equation 1 and 2. So here further we write down that adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. So here first equation is minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. Then further second equation my 2x minus 5y is equal to 30. So here students addition sign here. So 2x minus 2 minus 1, that means the x plus 5y minus 5y, that is equal to 0, and here 10 plus 30, that will be 40. So here students x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. Okay. So now here students further we have to calculate the value of y here students. How can we find out the value of y? So here that put this value in equation 1. In equation 1. So the equation 1 is minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. So here minus 40 plus 5y is equal to 10. So 5y is equal to 10 plus 40. So we shift out that minus 40. So 5y is equal to 50. So here y is equal to 50 divided by 5. So y is equal to 10. 5 tens are 50. So here we have both the values students. X is equal to 40 and y is equal to 10. So now here what we have to consider x and y. For x and y, that is x be the number of students. So here students at the last we write down that at the last, we write down number of students, number of students is equal to 40. And then amount distributed, amount distributed, amount distributed is equal to rupees 10, is equal to rupees 10. Okay student, so this is our final answer. Okay students, here now here such a way you can finding out the value of the variable by is using the easy method. Students, here we should careful about the sentences that given in the example students, because the given sentences, in that given sentences there is a hidden the condition. Okay, and that by knowing the condition, by understanding that condition, you easily get the equation. If you easily get the equation, then you can solve it. Okay students, now let us see the second one example. Okay, the second one example is students, see here the second one example here students, see a three-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of its digits. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more than the old number. Also, the sum of the extreme digit is less than the middle digit by unity. Find the original number. Yes, students. Here is the relation between the three-digit number. Okay. So we should have to generate the three-digit number. Students, you should have to generate the three-digit number. You know that how can we make out or how can we generate out the three-digit number? So here let us see. If you don't know that, then I teach you that how can we make out the three-digit number. Okay students, First we write here that the 3-digit number. So here first I make out the boxes, that is the 3-digit number here, students. Okay, first here this is the x, this place is the unit place, this is the 10 place, and this one is the 100 place. Okay student, so the 100 place, that is the x, and purposely I take that the unit place as a y, and then the tens place, that is the z, consider that z variable. Okay, so now here students that that 100, the 2-digit number, how can we make out 2-digit number? Sorry, students, 3-digit number. We have to make out 3-digit number. So here, which is equal to 100 multiply the 100, variable of 100. So that will be x. Okay, plus the 10 multiply the 10 variable, the variable in the 10 place, and the plus 1 multiply the variable of unit place, and that is x students. So now here students, that here consideration is that the sum of extreme digit is less than the middle digit by unity. Okay, so here that condition will be, students, here that condition will be, how can we condition out that? Here see the extreme, the sum of extreme digit. So students, the sum of extreme digits are x and y, and their sum, that means x plus y, okay, is less than by unity. Unity means students, unity means the one, students, unity means the one, and which one is less than by 1 than the middle digit, is less than by 1 to the middle digit is z. Okay, so we have x plus y is equal to z minus 1 as per the given condition. So here students, x plus y minus z is equal, sorry, minus 1 is equal to z. Okay students, so the value of z will be x plus y minus 1. So there will be no relation between the other third variable. So we don't know that the, don't relate it that the z. So here at the place I write down that x plus y minus 1. Here at the place z, I write down here z also. Okay, z. So x plus y minus 1. So here students, then very easy, it will be very easy. So here students, 3-digit number 100 x plus 10 multiply x plus y minus 1. So at the place of, students, here at the place of z, I write down x plus y minus 1. Okay, and then here plus x. So here simplify it, 100x plus 10x plus 10y minus 10 plus x. Okay, so now here students, 100, here students, 100 plus 10x here, and here the x here students. So here students, that means the 3-digit number here students, yes, here some mistake, here is the 1. Okay, yes, here 1. So here 100 x plus 10x, that is 110x, and 10y plus y, that means 11y, and minus 10. So this is our 3-digit number. This is our students 3-digit number. Original 3-digit number students. 3-digit number, and that is the original one students. Okay. Bye. Then now here we have to apply the condition, and that condition. So here I write down that original 3-digit number, because here mention out there that original number. Find the original number. So here also mention out original 3-digit number. Okay, student. Then apply condition. Yes. So by applying the condition here, that condition applied that a 3-digit number is. So this one is a 3-digit number 110x plus 11y minus 10 is means is equal to 17 times 17 times means 17 multiply the sum of its digit. So the digits are, this one is a digit, this one is a. So here sum of digit x plus y minus 1 plus y. So here 17 multiply, here x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y minus 1. So here 17 to the 34x plus 34y minus 17. And here on the left hand side 110x plus 11y minus 10. Okay student. Now here we further simplify 110x then minus 34x plus 11y then minus 34y is equal to minus 17 plus 10. Okay, now shifting on the variables, the terms on the right and left side. Okay students, and then here students see 101 minus 34, 110 minus 34. So here students 6, 7, 76. So here 76x, then here minus, that is the 34 and 11. So here 23. So minus 23y is equal to minus 7. Okay student. So the condition is that 17x minus 23y is equal to minus 7. Okay. So this is our first equation. This is our first equation. So now here try to get the second one condition by the second equation. So here if the digits are reverse, the new number is. So here students we have to first generate the new number. Okay. So here I write down new 3-digit number. New 3-digit number. That means here students at the place of x we write the y. At the place of y we write the x. So this way. So new 3-digit number will be 110y. 110y plus 11x and minus 10. Okay student. This will be the new 3-digit number. So here by applying the second condition, that is if the digits are reverse. Okay, that is we carried out that. Then the new number is, new number is 110y plus 11x minus 10. So as here I write down that by second condition. Okay, by the second condition, and this will be by the first condition. Okay, by the first condition here. So here 110. Okay, this fine. So 110y plus 11x minus 10 is equal to, okay, is 198 more than the old number. So here old number is this one students. Okay, and more than means plus 198. So original one 110x plus 11y minus 10 and plus 198. Okay, students. So such a way we get the equation. Okay, but it is not in the simplified form. We have to make the simplify here. Okay. So here students, here students, 10 minus 10 plus the first condition students 70 110x plus 11y plus 10. Yes, here students, there is a mistake. Some three-digit number 100, 110. So here 11y and here students minus 1. Yes, students, here is the plus 1 or minus 1. The sum of extreme digit is less than the middle digit by unity. Yes, students, here is a mistake, that is a plus 1. Okay, here plus 1 because minus 1 shifting here. So here plus 1. Okay, so here also at the place of z I write down the plus 1. Here also z, that is a plus 1. Here that means here students it comes the plus 10, here plus 10. Okay, and here students that x plus y plus 1 students. Okay, plus 1. So here students 2x plus 1 and then here plus 17. So here students 10x by the first condition this apply. So here students plus 17 and plus 10. So here it comes 27 students. So here students plus 10, yes, here plus 10, here is the plus 17 and here students that is the minus 10. Okay students, this will be. So here 76x minus 23y and then here that will be equal to 17 minus 10, that is will be positive 7. Yes students, now it is correct. Okay, so now here students, the new three-digit number that means 110y plus 11x. So here plus 10. Okay students, yes. So here students, you should see that these signs very carefully. Okay, this way. So now here students, get the second condition. Okay, get the second equation by the second condition, that is 110x plus 11y. Here 110 original number 100 and no new number 110y plus 11x plus 10 here plus 10 is equal to 110x plus 11y plus 10 plus 198. Yes, student. So now here this is the correct equation. So now here we try to solve. So here 110y plus 11x plus 10 which is equal to 110x plus 11y and then plus 10 plus 198 and that means students 208. Okay, and then here students, that is now here also uh, you can cancel out that 10 here students. Okay, because 10 on both the sides. So here 11x, here minus 110x shifting. So here plus 110y minus 11y is equal to 198. So here students, 110 minus 110 plus 11. So now here students 99 minus 99 x, and then 110 minus 11, that will be plus 99y, which is equal to 198. Okay, so here if you observe that 99 multiplied 2, that will be 199. So here dividing both the sides by 2, so here we get students, we get the new equation, and that is equal to here uh, here students 99, dividing both the sides by 99. So here students 99 ones are 99 plus here 99 ones are 99 and here 99. So here this is our second condition. So second equation. This is our first equation, and this is our second equation. So now here students, here is the y, have the coefficient minus 23, here is no coefficient, so here we solve it by equating method. Okay, so here first I write down that here I solve here students original value with original. Okay, so now here the next part is that multiplying. First I write down here multiplying both the sides by 23. So here minus 23x plus 23y is equal to 46, and call it as the third one equation. Okay students, now equating 23y and 23y. Okay, so now equation 3 and y. So adding equation 3 and y. Adding equations 3 and 4. Okay students, then we have 70x minus 23y is equal to 7 plus minus 23x plus 23y is equal to 46. So here students, that 76 minus 23, and that means students here 53x plus 0, which is equal to 53. So here 53x is equal to 53. So x is equal to 53 upon 53. So x is equal to 1. So now here put this value, put this value in equation 2. So here student equation 2 is minus x plus y is equal to 2. So here minus 1 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So we have the value y and x also. X is equal to 1 and here students y is equal to 3. So now we are our uh, find the original number. We have to find the original number. So as we get the value of x and y, then we can find down the original number. So here original 3-digit number is 110x plus 11y plus 10. So I substitute here 110 multiply 1 plus 11 multiply 3 plus 10, which is equal to 110 plus 33 plus 10. So which is equal to students here 3, 3, 4, 5, 5 and here 1. So here original number, see here students, original number. That original number is equal to 153 students. Okay, so such a way we can find out the solving the equation, we can get the answer. Okay, student. So there are some mistake arisen if you solving yourself, students. Okay. So students, practice with me, solve with me, and then it will get the success. Okay, student. So solve it, and here the two hot questions we took up. So here students, that if you like our content, then students, you subscribe our channel. Okay, students. So now here, best of luck for your exam.